So you can see in this slide that I have multiple types of media in here. I have some images, I have some text, and I also have a video. This video is actually a video of myself explaining this concept of this slide, and it's pretty easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to add your own video like this into a slide. So the first thing you need to do is actually record this video. So the fastest way to do that is to use Photo Booth. So if you open the app Photo Booth on your Mac, you can use the inbuilt camera that's above your screen to record yourself. You can see I have the past recording here from this slide, the same one as this slide. So what I need to do is drag this out of Photo Booth so I have that file somewhere. The other thing you could do is record it on your phone and then airdrop it to your computer, airdrop the recording to your computer. Just remember that you want a horizontal video, a landscape video, not a vertical video if you're using your phone. So next up we have the blank slide, but I can't just drop this video straight into my slideshow. I need to upload it to Google Drive first. So this is the example from that first slide that I uploaded. So I can simply drag this in and it will take a while to upload. You can see it's uploading now. You can rename it so it's easy for you to find. This one's called Tech Connections. So if I go to the slide and I go to Insert and I click on Video, I can go from my Google Drive and I can see that Tech Connections pops up there as my most recent, or I could have just searched for the name as well. So I can double click to add that into the slide and I can put that anywhere I want on the slide. I can then add text boxes. I can also insert other images in here. Like so. So now I have multiple forms of media in my one slide.